Welcome to TGR, boys.
What up?
All right, we're gonna show you how to. If you're trying to get a car, well, if you did buy a car and you're trying to pass safety, and one of these trusty lights come on, the ABS, whichever light you want.
Any of the above.
Yeah.
Or your speedometer's fucked and just randomly goes everywhere. See,
Well, yours is about to do
we're
that.
going
if you keep playing with
we're
it.
going 380, boys.
Anyways, what we did here, we took apart the whole fucking thing. It actually wasn't too hard. So this is the bulb we want to take out. It's the ABS.
Where's the hammer?
So what you're gonna want to do, you spin it until it gets loose,
Oh, you need a hammer.
and then it'll come right out. And then your problem is now fixed. Your light will obviously not be displaying since you have the light bulb here, and you place it aside.
If it's the right one.
So then you put it all back together, put it in your car, and then if that's all you need for safety, then you're good. Putting everything back together there.
Put the steering wheel down.
That's all the way down. You come and do this, motherfucker. Okay, just gonna put it like that to see if it works there. You can see, I don't know what the SRS is. Okay. You can see our ABS brake sensor is now fine. All the ABS system is fine. So there's -1 thing to check for the safety.